this is Sia. We are in the Tech World in Shanghai. Today I will introduce our most hot-selling model, 5W. Please follow me. Traditional model with white and brown washing and very all kinds of material, including zirconia, titanium, you can see our software is based on the Windows 10 and supporting the Wi-Fi connect and with our camera, and you can control our software on your mobile phone and the computer. And then we have the automatic calculation function, and you can just press this button and they will show you how to do the configuration. Just use our configuration tools in the folder. And then our most best function for this model, you can see you only just press one button, so you can even change the model white to dry and white to wet. It's all automatic change. The whole structure. We have a very large amount of two magazines. We offer the 27 tooth magazine with two size support holder, and the one is casting neutral structure, same as the MSFR. So it makes mailing situation more powerful and stable. And you can see the camera in this way, including the coupling. Inside you can see with over with one operation tools and input tools, and the other holder for preview and cinema, and with one whole packaging of mailing bars. And then our clean chiller and water tank is included. And today is all about our model of 5W, and see you soon.